With its 30 years experience in urea and melamine industry, Chemcola has been serving the clients in domestic and abroad with its good reputation and professional knowledge. In the past 10 years, through cooperation with customers in more than 100 countries, we have widely understood the different needs of customers in various countries for chemical procurement and actively provide customers with chemical products applied in a variety of fields. The test reports from the world-recognized institutions help customers better understand the products so that they can rest assured to make purchasing plans. Chemcola can also apply for market access certificate, like REACH certificate, according to customers' requirements. With the help of professors from Tsinghua University, technical problems related to products can be solved in time. Our team will attend regular training to ensure that we can serve customers more efficiently. The products supplied are all environmental-friendly chemical products. Modern automatic production equipment can ensure the stability of product quality. The existing filling equipment can meet the different requirements of customers for packaging. After production, the goods will be orderly placed in the warehouse, covering an area of about 3,000 square meters, which can meet the needs of customers for remote video factory inspection. Our salesmen will work out the best shipping plan according to country, destination port, purchase quantity, and loading details, which will greatly reduce the purchase cost for customers.
Hi, this is Candice from Chemcola. We supply different kinds of urea, which includes coated urea and uncoated urea. Our strong items are automotive grade and industrial grade, which is free-flowing with daily production of 3,000 tons. Urea of different specification is delivered to customers every week. Chemcola is here, looking forward to establish the cooperation relationship with you.